In Chalk Village, a group of friends, triangle, circle, square, trapezoid, and pentagon, are feeling adventurous. They want to prove how brave they are by sneaking into the forbidden dark forest. As they explore, they are shocked to find a giant eraser waiting for them. Apparently, this is not just a rumor. The eraser is real and much bigger than they imagined. Realizing they are in serious trouble, they scream in fear and run for their lives. After their escape from the giant eraser, they realize that their adventure has just begun. They must work together not only to survive, but to overcome the challenges ahead. Pastale is all about teamwork and friendship, just like in real life. The goal of this game is simple yet powerful: to build strong bonds between teammates through shared challenges and victories. In Pastale, the players need to reach the portal at the end of each level. Every level has two exciting modes: normal mode and panic mode. In normal mode, players need to run together and jump over obstacles to escape from the giant eraser. During panic mode, the giant eraser stops chasing the players, but the ground starts to disappear. In this mode, one player will be a forecaster. They get clues about which part of the ground will vanish. The forecaster needs to help their friends move to safety. Listening carefully is really important. The forecaster must give clear directions, and the other players have to follow the directions to survive. Pastale can be played by 2 to 5 players. One player becomes the host and creates a room. The others can join by entering the room code. Once everyone is ready, the host can start the game and choose a level. Each level starts in normal mode, where players must avoid obstacles and not get caught by the giant eraser. But it can switch to panic mode at any time, causing parts of the ground to disappear. The forecaster will see which grounds are about to vanish and must quickly warn their teammates to avoid standing on those grounds. Different players will take turns to be the forecaster. Throughout the game, checkpoints allow players to restart from a safe spot instead of starting over if they fail. Let's see how Pastale looks like. First, one player needs to be a host and creates a game room. The other players can join by entering the room code. Once everyone is ready, the host can start the game and choose a level. Let's start playing. In normal mode, players must run together to avoid obstacles and outrun the giant eraser. The main goal is to reach the portal safe. The game will be restarted if one of the players touch the obstacle, fall into the void, or get caught by the eraser. But don't worry, there are checkpoints throughout the game. If the players reach one, they can start from that checkpoint instead of the beginning of the game if any players fail. At any moment, the game can switch to panic mode and parts of the ground will begin to disappear. The forecaster will see the sign for the disappearing grounds and needs to warn the other players to move to safety. This is where teamwork is needed. The next level will be opened once all players reach the portal. Players will uncover different ambience and mood in the next level. Pastale is built using Unity, a game engine that helps create fun gameplay which support cross-platform across Apple devices. Pastale contains unique level experience in 2 modes, normal and panic mode. We use netcode to connect players, so everyone can play together in their own device with the same network without issues. We also use .win to make the user interface and characters animation. Please meet the people behind Pastale. We are Abinaya Wisdom Studio. Erwin, Calvin, and Hafiz as coders, Alaika and Zahra as game designer and illustrator. Team up to survive in the world of Pastale. Download and play Pastale now. Available on App Store.